IONIC Technology gives you the power to create a salon-styled finish. Less frizz, for shiny, healthy-looking hair. Ceramic coating helps reduce damage over styling with even heat distribution, making styling fast and easy. Lightweight features a featherweight design so you can get stunning blowouts easily and comfortably. All hair types, 1875 watt. 2 heat, 2 speed settings for complete drying and styling flexibility. Cold shot button releases cool air to lock in the style. Precision. Added concentrator and volumizing finger diffuser attachments give you maximum precision for truly customized hairstyles. The fast dry lightweight hairdryer features a featherweight design so you can get stunning blowouts easily and comfortably. This ultra-lightweight blow dryer is coated with 3 layers of ceramic to help reduce heat damage, and IONIC technology for reduced frizz and beautiful shine. Plus, added concentrator and volumizing finger diffuser attachments give you maximum precision for truly customized hairstyles. Top reviews from the United States. Nice replacement. This was a replacement hairdryer. It replaced the same brand and model that I have had for over 18 years. The only difference is updated switches and color. I have always trusted Revlon over the years. 40 years.